Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy content that's clear and actually helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I share videos you can really use. Let's get started.
Connecting the Pioneer XDJ-RX3 to your laptop is a simple process that unlocks many features. First, you need a high-quality USB cable. This is the standard printer-style cable with a square end. Make sure your laptop has the latest version of Rekordbox or Serato DJ Pro installed. You should also download the specific drivers from the Pioneer DJ website. Start by plugging the square end of the USB cable into the back of the XDJ-RX3. Connect the other end directly to your laptop's USB port. Avoid using cheap USB hubs if possible. Now, turn on your controller and wait for it to boot up. Open your chosen DJ software on your computer. On the XDJ-RX3 screen, press the source button. Select the software control or MIDI option using the rotary knob. Push the knob down to confirm your choice. Your laptop should now recognize the hardware. Go to the audio settings in your software. Ensure the XDJ-RX3 is selected as the primary audio device. You can now browse your digital library using the controller's screen and buttons. This setup allows you to use the laptop as a powerful brain while keeping the tactile feel of the hardware. Make sure your laptop is plugged into a power source to avoid any shutdowns during your set. If the connection fails, try a different USB port or restart the software. Following these steps ensures a stable link for your performance. You are now ready to mix tracks directly from your computer library. Everything is synced and ready for your next big live gig. This connection gives you total control over your music.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.